Hello, this video is about how to clean out your Google Drive. You could do this for yourself, for a group email that you own, or a former employee, etc. So first of all, you need to get to Google Drive by going here to the little waffle thing and clicking on Drive. Once you're here, normally you'd see a list of files and so forth. Great. But what we're going to do is ignore that right now and use this really cool thing down in the lower left hand where it says storage. I'm going to click on storage and it's going to show me in this case that this person has 6.35 gigabytes in use, of which 1.42 is Drive, 3.46 is Gmail, and 1.48 is Photos. Photos is a whole separate gig, and cleaning that out is not a lot of fun. We'll do a separate video about that one. But you'll notice that now the list below, rather than showing you in some random order, alphabetical order, order by last access or whatever, it actually puts the biggest stuff first. Oh, how cool is that? All right. So you could say, for example, 28 meg is a big file, and so on and so on and so on. So these things are actually fairly large. You could delete this one, for example, by clicking here and hitting the trash. Keep in mind that things will sit in your trash for 30 days before they're actually removed. Now, we could also look here and say, what kinds of files are we least likely to need again? So for example, if I said, I really want to look for zip files, because those are usually installers and things like that we've put together, although sometimes maybe it said zip inside of something else, I don't know. But here are a bunch of different zip files right here, and now they're no longer in order by size, but that's all right. So I can go through here, hold down Control, and click on the various and sundry different things. I don't actually have a way in this tool to sort by type. It's showing it to me, but it's not necessarily allowing me to sort them all. So I can't shift click, I can only control click. Notice how many of these will say like installer or something on that order. Once I've highlighted the ones I want, now I can click on the trash can again. Again, it tells me, all right, that 3 items are only going to be removed from my view because they probably belong to someone else, whereas 10 items are going to be deleted forever after 30 days. And if you've shared them with anyone before, those people will lose access. So really only the things that you yourself own are saving space as you delete them. So anything that says that it's owned by me, something else that says that it's owned by someone else really isn't probably going to save up a lot of space because the original person still has it. And this is probably just a pointer to that item. All right, so remember, storage, and then it's only going to be able to show you Drive. You could click on Gmail and Photos until the cows come home. It's not going to help. So again, you can just go through here and say, oh, okay, these are the ones I need, down through here, hit and click trash. Okay. You could also search for photos. You could search for MP4s, which would be movies and so on and so on. And there they go. So thank you very much.